didn't want to see life through my eyes.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know we could talk about sex.
I must have been crazy.
Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know we could speak my mind.
What was I thinking?
And I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
It's human nature.
It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Your bitch don't bring your shit on me. It's
human
nature. You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
You took my words and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know we could talk about sex.
I must have been crazy.
Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know we could talk about you.
What was I thinking? Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know we could talk about sex.
I must have been crazy.
Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind.
What was I thinking?
And I'm not sorry.
I don't have to justify anything.
It's human nature. It's human
I'm just like you.
nature. And I'm not sorry.
Why should I be?
I'm not your bitch, don't hang your shit on me.